Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to build a LinkedIn company page in 2025 step by step. So whether you are launching a startup or branding your business, here is how you can set up a professional presence on LinkedIn. So first of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to search for business.linkedin.com. I will also put the link of it down in the description so that you could come on this page directly. Now, once you are on this page, simply click on the option of create your page and you will be landed on this type of page. Now, over here, you need to choose one of the following, like whether you are a small business or a medium to large business, or you need to just showcase the page for a sub brand or any department. So among the given options here, you need to select the one. Let's say you are a company. So after selecting it, you need to simply click on the find connections option. As you can see, it is showing me that this feature is not available because I don't have enough connections for my account. But if you have enough connections on your account, you will have to simply just continue on the next page, and on the next page you need to fill out a form that requires you to provide your company name, the LinkedIn public URL, the website, industry, and the company size type. Afterwards, you need to upload the high resolution logo and cover banner that actually reflects your brand. It will look something like the profile that you create here on LinkedIn. You can also provide a tagline that should be short and clear, and what does your company do, you need to provide that. After that, you need to write a short description that tells about your brand, your story, the values, and the audience that actually use your products and services. You can also provide the relevant keywords to make your page searchable. As I said earlier, it will look something like this. So once you create your business page, instead of the create a post option, you will see the create page option. So on that page, you can basically post the updates, invite your connections to follow you, and you can add admins to help or manage your page. You will also be able to share the job posts or the product launches. So that's how you can basically build your LinkedIn company page in 2025. If you are a company, it would be very much easy for you to do it. You just have to fill out a form and fill out your details, and it is done. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.